me and her started teaching dance in Raipur. And at that time, I was in 10th standard where I started my first dance class. And we made money. I called Saroj Khan to get her franchisee in Raipur. I wanted her to...
Wait, let's back that up. How did you get Saroj Khan's contact?
Dude, I was... I'm thinking, what pictures? You know, when I just can't give a reply to somebody, I offer the ticket.
So your first film is a Tamil film?
Yes, I did.
Where you were, if I'm not wrong, a ghost?
Yes.
And your ghost name is credited as Meenal.
Oh my god, I don't know this of course. Let's talk about this.
Meenal, welcome to the comment section.
Thank you.
It's great to have you.
Thank you.
Before we
Thank
get
you.
into your life, your journey, and all of that stuff, while doing research, I found something very interesting. We share a birthday, March 27th.
What are you saying?
Yes, yeah.
What are you saying? I've never
Yeah.
met anybody who has shared
Really?
the birthday with me. Yeah.
Yeah. I know celebrities who share the birthday.
Okay.
But real life people, I know people March
nice, yeah.
26th, March 28th. But
So 27 March, let's do it
Yes.
together this year.
yeah. Sure, let's do it.
Why not? Yeah.
Thoda time baki hai, but
हाँ,
we'll
हाँ,
figure
चल,
something
चल.
out.
Good to know.
Do you know the celebrities who share birthdays with us?
Who?
There's Mariah Carey. There's Fergie.
You know, I never looked up. कि कौन है 27 like
And also the
cares?
director Quentin Tarantino is March 27th.
क्या बात है?
Yeah, 3 cool people. Before we get to the amazing things you have done on screen, on stage, and all of that, let's go back to your childhood. You were born in Raipur.
I was born in Bhilai.
Oh, you were born in Bhilai. Okay.
And after I was born, I think 1 year later we shifted to Raipur.
Okay.
So my father came down to Raipur because he got posted there.
Right.
So then I grew up in Raipur. But
What was it growing like in a place like Raipur?
It was quiet. It was peaceful. It was, you know, in small cities you don't have a lot of exposure. Like the
Right.
schools were very regular.
Right.
There's nothing grand happening there, you know, and so it was school. There were tuitions, but it was not again too much in my life. I started taking coachings and tuition very late in life.
Right.
So it was regular, like 6 hours of school, coming home, have lunch with my mother. Like she used to wait for me to come back and used to eat with me all my life. Till the time I was there in the city, my mother ate lunch with me. And I could be friends with everybody. I was very flexible,
Oh, nice.
but on my own mostly. My mother kind of pushed me towards Bharatnatyam classes.
Right.
Dancing is something I always wanted to do. I used to
Right.
do dancing in schools also.
Okay.
पर भरतनाट्यम में मम्मी ने डाला है और I was not okay. I was not sure if I'll be able to do it.
Right. Was your mom also? Did she also dance?
No, she doesn't. But maybe she knew that I could dance.
Okay.
Like, you know how mothers know कि मेरी बच्ची अच्छा नाच सकती है या ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ. Because I used to move around. School में भी I was very active. तो and I was pretty sure कि I will not do Bharatnatyam. पर I went there on the first day and I think I never skipped a class.
Okay.
And I went there till good 6 years,
Right. Okay.
you know.
So
and I
there's a-
finished my exam and everything.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Bharatanatyam.
I was about to ask. So there's a very certain kind of discipline that is associated.
Yes, and I think that's what surprised me.
Okay.
This discipline in school was boring for me. But the same discipline in Bharatanatyam class, I think I enjoyed it more. इसलिए भी क्योंकि शायद सिर्फ 2 घंटे की क्लास होती है.
जी.
म्यूजिक होता है, मूवमेंट होता है. आई थिंक वो सब चीज़ का कॉम्बिनेशन और बैलेंस मेरे लिए काफ़ी काम किया.
Right.
और आई थिंक दैट चेंज्ड मी अ लॉट.
Okay.
And once I started enjoying it now, I think I became like, it's okay if I don't score well, you know. वो जो एक डर होता है ना क्या होगा वो डर मेरे अंदर थोड़ा सा कम हो गया once I started enjoying this art. And that's how, you know, and I was always very active with what's happening, classes कहाँ चल रही हैं, because there is another class which I wanted to do but
Yeah.
it was very far away, so my mother didn't want to send me and all.
Right.
So then I used to just go somewhere and dance, और कभी ये event पे कभी ये हो गया.
Right.
So that's how I met somebody who was my friend for a very long time, and me and her started teaching dance in Raipur.
Okay.
And at that time I was in 10th standard where I started my first dance class
Okay.
on my own
Ah.
with literally 7 kids, and in one batch there were some 5 ladies. And we really worked hard in what we are teaching with
Right.
whatever we knew.
Right,
And we used to do regular classes like Bollywood, kabhi Zumbas, kabhi small pieces of choreography,
Right.
whatever is happening. And me and my friend, we really put so much effort in those next 2 years that by the time I passed out from my school, we had 3 centers in the city. Me and Deepmala running the all 3 classes, and we had used to have around 150 kids in summers,
Okay.
and we made money.
Right.
And we made some money, and we used to just buy new speakers from the money. मतलब
Right,
बस ये करते
yeah.
थे. So I liked this idea of doing and getting my money from what I know and what I enjoy, and let's explore this now.
Right.
There is more. Like,
Right.
come on, let's do it. And that's how I
So
sort of
around 10th standard, जब most बच्चे are still figuring out क्या करना है जिंदगी के साथ,
हाँ.
you're already teaching 150 kids
Yeah.
under you. So like at this point, like how do your parents react? के मतलब
yeah, my parents were very happy. Yeah, like my mother's always been very. She's very calm. She's very supportive. I
Okay.
think I really like her calm because it's missing in me. I I look for it. Like I have to
Right.
chase it.
Right.
I have to work on it. My mother has it.
Okay.
So she she liked it that I'm able to do so much
Right.
with because she loved the fact कि यार मैंने इसको भरतनाट्यम भेजा, इसने तो कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. My teacher is appreciating me. आसपास के बच्चे भी मतलब मुझसे हेल्प ले रहे हैं. I'm very मेरे अंदर वो डिसिप्लिन आ गया, and she really liked that.
Right.
And then whatever I did from there, I think she was okay with it.
Right.
She's
So,
okay with it.
I mean, tell me about this Bharatnatyam mein, like what's the gender ratio like? Because when I think of Bharatnatyam, I'm thinking of a woman dancing. But is it something that's most
हाँ यार, that's a quite a good question.
Right.
And very interesting insight. I should tell you that I only had
female students?
females in
Right.
my class,
Yeah.
and I think something again pushed me further when a male teacher came to our class for the first time,
Right.
and that was after 4 years of training.
Okay.
तो वो 4th year की exam onwards, that teacher used to come.
हाँ.
And Ritesh नाम था उनका, Ritesh बाबू बोलते थे.
जी.
And he was this young guy from Calcutta. My teacher used to call him, and he was trained in Kathak and Bharatanatyam and everything. So when I looked at him dancing, I'm like, अच्छा मतलब लड़के भी ये करते हैं,
जी.
इतना करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे शहर में तो मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ कोई लड़के डांस कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
और ऑनेस्टली इसके बारे में मैं भी अब ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ. उस टाइम पे मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं
Yeah, of
सोचा,
course. हाँ. Right.
बट जब मैंने रितेश बाबू को डांस करते हुए देखा,
जी.
तब मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो
ये भी हो सकता है.
ब्यूटीफुल, एंड ये
Yeah.
भी हो सकता है. दैट वाज नेवर एग्जिस्टेड
Right,
इन माय
right,
हेड, इन माय
right.
इमेजिनेशन, and then but once I saw him teaching, I wanted to dance like him. There was so much strength.
Right.
I'm like, when a woman is dancing, there's so much grace. A man is coming in with his strength and
yeah.
combining grace. I loved it. I really loved it. And I think that I picked up in my personality in general. Dance helped me to kind of build my personality more than just learning the skill.
Right. Okay.
And that kind of transformed me a lot.
Okay.
From there, it shaped me a lot. So, answering to your question, लड़के हमारे शहर में तो नहीं थे, बट इफ आई लुक बैक टू कैलकाटा, जब मैं वहाँ पे एग्जाम्स देने जाती थी, वहाँ पे लड़के होते थे.
Okay.
बट रेशियो लड़कियों का ही ज़्यादा होता है.
अच्छा, आप एग्जाम्स देने कैलकाटा जाती थी?
हाँ, फॉर 5th 6th ईयर,
Okay.
फॉर 2 years, साल में 1 या 2 एग्जाम के लिए हमको हमारी टीचर, जो भी 3-4 बच्चे होते थे, ट्रेन में कैलकाटा लेके जाती थी. वहाँ हम जाते थे, किसी सेंटर में रुकते थे.
Yeah, what do you remember about those trips? Were they fun trips or were they anxiety trips because आप exam
No, I
देने
was
जा
not
रहे हो?
anxious, honestly.
Okay.
I was not anxious. I got anxious later in my life.
Okay.
मतलब anxiety was there, but because of other things. I think here I was totally, I felt safe.
Right.
I liked the people I was with. और ऐसा कुछ अमेजिंग नहीं हो रहा, मतलब ऐसा कुछ बहुत अलग नहीं हो रहा था।
जी
हम टाइम पे बस ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, टाइम पे टीचर हमको खाना खिला रही है, फिर हम ट्रेन पे सो जा रहे हैं, पूरे पूरे दिन सो रहे हैं जब ट्रैवल किया।
yeah
फिर वहाँ पहुँचे, फिर टीचर ने कहा कि अब यहाँ पे सब बैठेंगे, कार आएगी, उसके बाद ओके यू ईट दिस, यू टेक दिस, वी टेक इट। सो लाइक आई
Yeah.
जस्ट फॉलोड her
It's a school
basically, you
trip,
know, and
yeah,
we go to
yeah.
the center, I'm looking at the atmosphere there। वहाँ पे डिसिप्लिन अलग ही लेवल का था, वहाँ पे
जी।
बच्चे बहुत ही कम एज में ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। और मुझे वहाँ जाके लगा कि यार हमको तो कुछ नहीं आता है, हमने यहाँ पे जो सीखा है, हाँ मतलब ठीक है, अच्छा सीखा है, बट यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल चीज़ और यहाँ ज़्यादा ऑथेंटिसिटी है। आई विश आई कुड जस्ट कम हियर एवरी टाइम एंड लर्न,
Right.
बट या दैट्स अबाउट इट, एंड
Okay.
देन आई लेफ्ट एंड
Nice.
अदर थिंग्स स्टार्टेड।
So, 10th standard, I'm assuming आप बच्चों को सिखा रही हैं, but still, I'm assuming कि in a place like Raipur, there aren't like prospects कितने ही होंगे, right? So then at what point you're like, okay,
See, for dancing,
Yeah.
singing, na, you get people.
right,
And even in a small area,
Right.
because we are also starting at a very small scale
Right.
with very minimal fee.
correct,
तो अगर मेरी क्लास में to learn any choreography on a 1-minute Bollywood song which is trending at that time, और वहाँ पे तब तो Instagram Reels और ये सब कुछ
Right.
भी नहीं था. It
Right.
was either you are preparing a dance piece for your school function और a शादी का function, और गणेश चतुर्थी का जो कॉलोनी में इवेंट होता है, स्टेज के ऊपर नाचना है, उस
जी,
पे
हाँ।
people come to learn.
हाँ,
So this was the thing.
Right.
और इसके अलावा I used to also assist my Bharatanatyam teacher, so that was separately going
correct,
for me.
okay,
Because towards the end she shifted to Calcutta, and I took that, I handled that class for 1 year on my
okay,
own.
right,
So that was the thing, and with my friend we were just teaching basically people. We were going to their places and giving them personal training, and that kind of taught me to be flexible with people and meet different people and handle children,
right.
talk to them.
While you
Or
were
can-
not that
And
big
while I
yourself.
was
Yeah,
not
yeah,
that, I was a child
Yeah,
myself,
yeah, exactly.
but you know, as a child also I was very like a teacher.
Right,
कि
I
मैं
can
teacher
imagine.
हूँ.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ, तो मेरे रूम में भी ब्लैक बोर्ड आता था, and I used to play teacher on my own,
Right.
wearing mother's dupatta and
Yeah.
teaching kids. And if my parents are walking in, I used to get quiet. Ki, you go. If you like, what is this?
So at this point आपने कहा कि आप बच्चों को बॉलीवुड भी सिखा रही थी.
हाँ.
Was there this perception कि भाई भरतनाट्यम is serious dance, it has discipline, whereas Bollywood
नहीं, मैं
is
सिर्फ
not.
अपने लिए कर रही थी. Seriously, मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए कर रही थी.
हाँ.
भरतनाट्यम also.
Would the teachers scoff at you कि ये क्यों बॉलीवुड क्यों सिखा रहे हो? You're a trained
नहीं
भरतनाट्यम
नहीं, वो
dancer.
नहीं करते थे, क्योंकि जब मेरे टीचर गुहा आंटी को पता चला कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ, शी रियली सपोर्टेड मी, क्योंकि उनके बच्चे भी काफ़ी अलग अलग स्ट्रीम्स में जा रहे थे, उनको भी एक टाइम चेंज होता हुआ दिख रहा था, क्योंकि ये चीज़ क्लासिकल टीचर्स के साथ होती है
Right.
कि आपको ये चीज़ बहुत अपने साथ क्लोज रखनी है, तो शी वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट, बट आई एट द सेम टाइम आई डिडंट वांट टू टीच भरतनाट्यम एज
Of course, yeah.
So, and I didn't want to teach Bharatanatyam at all. It
Right.
was her teaching and me helping her.
Right.
Because she wanted people to help her.
Right.
So I was just totally doing it that
Got
way.
it,
And outside whatever I was doing, it was mainly with my friend. It was mainly to earn some pocket money. It was also to know what's going in trend outside,
Right.
and for the glamour of it, for the
Right.
fun of it.
Right.
We get our bikes, right? Because
Yeah,
we are working.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we get to see the city. We get to go here and there, take classes. So, you know, for all that fun,
जी.
this setup was working for me,
Right.
and I was getting my own money, which
Which was great at that
was
time.
great.
So at what point did you decide कि अब आगे बढ़ना है, शायद छोड़ना पड़ेगा मुझे घर?
I actually
Also at this point are your parents saying कि हाँ डांस तो ठीक है बट बनना तो तुम्हें इंजीनियर डॉक्टर लॉयर ही है, anything of that
No.
sort? Okay.
no, they didn't say that. Very sweet.
All right.
Do not say that.
Okay.
But my father was worried, I think.
Okay.
My father wanted me to look for a government job, like
yeah,
study
yeah,
well
yeah,
and do that. But the thing is, the way I was growing up in my teenage, no,
Right.
they could pretty see that she's not gonna do a job. She's
Right.
not. She doesn't. She's not that person. She's not that child right now.
Yeah.
And
you were
so-
an entrepreneur in the 10th standard itself. You started your own little
Yeah.
business. Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, when you asked me that when you think कि अब आगे बढ़ना है और यहाँ से जाना है, I think यहाँ से जाना है, ये मैंने सोच लिया था when I was in 7th standard.
Okay.
Standing in my school terrace, balcony kind of a corridor, you see,
जी.
और बीच में ground होता था, चारों तरफ corridor होता था. I was standing in the corridor. I remember that moment very clearly.
Okay.
And that's when I thought that, you know, I want to make my own money. And I
Okay.
think that's why I started doing the classes, because I kind of thought about it already. And I realized that I want to get out of the city. There is a lot I can do. I want to do. And yeah, I think if I am independent, I can take bigger challenges.
That's a very mature thought for a person
और
who's in
हाँ,
7th
ये बात मुझे
standard.
समझ नहीं आती कि ये कैसे हुआ उस टाइम पे.
Right.
और ऑफ कोर्स ये लैंग्वेज नहीं थी ये,
जी जी हाँ.
बट वो मोमेंट तो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है. एंड
What do you think was the seed of that? कि मुझे independent बनना है. At that young
see,
age.
as a child, I'm sure there were things, right? I knew that I wanted to get out. There was
Okay.
something in me which used to tell me that this is not enough. You know, this is not enough. And when you come from a middle class family,
जी.
and I was an observer, I could see that when you don't have big money, the opportunities don't come in easy for you. For that, you have to scale. You have to go to a place where there are more opportunities. And I also met a teacher, I should mention Sayyid Fazil sir, who used to be, you know, how in cities you have personality development teachers and English teachers. So he used to teach me English.
Okay.
He used to live very close to my school. Me and my brother used to go to him. So I think this man really kind of pushed me to think what I think.
Right.
So I'm not saying he tried to influence me. He just heard me. You know, he was always there to question me that, Meenal, what do you think of yourself? That question itself made me think so much more. Otherwise, I could have ever,
Right.
you know.
Okay.
So I should say that Fazil sir used to tell me that, yo, you dance so well. You know, you could do so much with it. You'll go ahead, Meenal.
Right.
What are your plans? What do you think? So it's not that he is telling me what to do. He's questioning me. He's making me think. And I think so that's where the maturity kind of
Okay. All right.
played along.
So then when do you break it to your family that you want to pursue?
It happened very organically. So I used to keep saying that I want to go to, and
Right.
Mumbai I think was the only city I wanted to come
Okay.
to. So I got admission in Wilson College in Bombay, and due to few things, my father changed his mind and he's like, let's continue here and do not go to Wilson. And I was kind of mad for that. I'm like, okay. And I was okay because I'm like, chal, yahan pe I have my dance to do. Let me do my graduation here. Till the time I do something with my classes, I expand more, I'll go get out, train more. And, you know, I was doing random things, you know, from Raipur. I should tell you this.
Yeah.
I called Saroj Khan
Okay.
to get her franchisee in Raipur.
Okay.
I wanted her to...
Wait, let's back that up. How did you get Saroj Khan's contact?
Dude, I was...
Because we're talking about Saroj Khan, not even like
I know,
some...
right? I
Yeah.
spoke to her.
Yeah.
I don't... मुझे तो वो जानती भी नहीं है यार, because मैंने उनसे 2 बार फोन पे बात की है.
जी.
Actually 2 बार उनके मैनेजर से बात की है और 1 बार उनसे की है.
हाँ.
और एक बार मेरी दोस्त जो मेरे से थी, वो मेरे से 10 साल बड़ी थी.
हाँ.
तो एक बार उसने की है. तो हम दोनों ये चीज़ करते थे और बेसिकली वी जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट हर फ्रेंचाइजी. वी wanted to get out and train, and
Of
we
course,
don't want
yeah,
we didn't have any sources to get out.
Right,
Parents नहीं
yeah.
मान रहे. मेरी 10th 11th चल रही है. कैसे मतलब? तो क्या हम किसी को ऐसा ला सकते हैं जो असिस्टेंट्स भेज दें यहाँ पे और हम ट्रेन कर लें
Yeah.
खुद को,
And the name
और
is
हम
all you
लोगों को
need.
भी सिखाएं.
हाँ.
लोग ज़्यादा फीस लेके इनसे सीख लेंगे और लोगों के साथ हम भी आ जाएंगे. और हमें तो फीस भी नहीं देनी है. इनफैक्ट जो वो दे रहे हैं उसका 10-15-20% हमारे पास आना है, जो भी वो डील था.
And the moment you put Saroj Khan's name on the branding, then
Yeah. And जब ये डिस्कशन हुआ तो मैंने कहा यार there shouldn't be like, oh सरोज खान किधर है, अच्छा सरोज नहीं है कोई और है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. If we are bringing Saroj Khan in, then I want her to come once.
Yeah.
And if there is an instructor from her, then we should, like, she should introduce an instructor to the people, and this was all planned.
Yeah.
The monies they asked was so big. I'm like, what? How will we do?
Yeah.
How? But you know, it happened. Yeah, we kind of negotiated. Like I
But
remember.
what was her what was
So
her
her
tone?
manager was talking
Yeah,
more
yeah,
about
yeah.
business.
Was she shocked or was it something? कि
She's
ये
like,
तो
तुम
हर-
लोग क्या डांस करते हो? See, my Bharatnatyam background really helped me
Right.
when she got to know that I'm trained. And I was, what I realized, no, when you don't know where to go ahead, just be honest and tell where you at.
Right.
That's what I did with her. I said, this is where I'm at. I'm this year old, and मेरी पढ़ाई भी है. And Deepmala is this is her age. और ये हमारा plan है. We just want you to come and teach, so we get to learn. Raipur gets to experience better training because we also are not trained at every level. So the motive was to get ourselves
Of course,
trained
yeah.
and get some money either way for them to for us. It was like a good deal. But that kind of took one whole year to happen. And
But it didn't happen, I'm assuming.
फिर 12th आ गया तो मेरी मम्मी ने बोला कि बेटा अभी थोड़ा घर पे आ जाओ पढ़ लो. तो उसके बाद मेरे कॉलेज कहाँ है, मुझे विल्सन भी जाना है, क्या मैं एडमिशन के लिए किधर निकलूँ, ये सब भी चल रहा था. तो ना फिर मैं अगर करती हूँ तो ये कौन अकेले संभालेगा. वी गिव दिस बिग कमिटमेंट टू दिस पर्सन एंड आई लीव द सिटी इन 1 year. ये वो एंड देन द मनी इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ बीच में चल रहा था. बट आई थिंक वो आ जाते. हमने एक पॉइंट के बाद हम स्टॉप हो गए.
Right.
तो बट मेरी फ़ोन पे बात हुई और मुझे लगा कि यार मैं तो यहाँ रहने नहीं वाली हूँ, मैं ये क्या कर रही हूँ. दिस कांट बी अ 2 साल का स्कैम है, बढ़िया हुआ, अच्छा किया और निकल गए. सो यू नो फिर उस बात पे मैंने ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो केम टू बॉम्बे एंड देन माई फ्रेंड ऑल्सो केम अलॉन्ग.
Okay. When you arrive here, आपको is dance still the primary thing या acting is somewhere on the horizon at the back of your head?
It was always there. Okay. But and that's the thing where which made me push that I have to leave this city if I want to start early. Start early. At least get to the place. Again, I didn't know what to do. एक बार जाएंगे पता चलेगा. प्लानिंग नहीं हो पा रही है क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से अगर मैं प्लानिंग दूसरों पे छोड़ रही हूँ तो दिख रहा है क्या हो रही है. तो वो तो नहीं हो सकता, खुद ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा. और डांस आता था. फिगर आउट कर लिया कि व्हाट आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विथ इन बॉम्बे. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और थी कि अगर हम बोल दें कि आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर और आई वांट टू मॉडल बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन मॉडलिंग एंड lot of international models inspired me. I like the fact that they're so free with whatever they're doing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that inspired me.
Okay. Cool.
Then came to Bombay, started with dancing, and I knew that acting will happen, पर आती नहीं है, कभी की नहीं है.
जी.
जो आता है, should I start from there? And that's how Shamak happened.
Okay.
ऑल्सो वो एक था दिमाग में कि ट्रेन करते हैं. ये ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस था मेरे लिए एक्टिंग में आना. जाते साथ एक्टर बनना और इधर ऑडिशन देना. ऑडिशन क्या होता है भी नहीं पता था, तो हम तो सोच नहीं सकते. पर डांस हैपेंड फॉर मी बिकॉज वो मैंने पहले से प्लान किया था कि इफ आई गो टू बॉम्बे, ओके, आई एम ऑप्टिंग फॉर दिस कोर्स विच वाज अ ग्रेजुएशन प्रोग्राम इन शामक.
Okay.
सो मैंने कहा अगर मैं कॉलेज नहीं जा पाई हूँ, कैन आई डू समथिंग विच educates me further. And Shamak just came up with this beautiful program called OYP. It was a professional program for dancers. You train for 12 to 13 hours a day for 1 year. I did 2 years training, 2 different things. So that was something I was always hungry for.
Right.
हाँ, तो
Did you notice any difference with the crowd that you were finding here? Then
oh my! Oh, let's talk about this.
Yes.
Yes. The thing is, I wanted to experience this difference.
Okay.
Because I was not okay with the crowd I was in.
जी.
And I came here and I see people and I'm like, it's same. It's just, you know, the conditioning is really same.
Right.
It's just the lifestyle.
Huh.
And later I kind of was able to see this difference. But आके तो मैं काफ़ी लकीली जो मेरा कोर्स था वहाँ तो हर जगह
जी,
से लोग आए थे,
हाँ,
इसलिए मैं उसमें गई
हाँ।
थी. तो मिक्स्ड राउट था. बट
Right.
द मोमेंट that got over and there was more people from Bombay and I
Right,
started
right.
interacting with them. I felt that यार बहुत confident है यार, इनको बहुत पता है. ऐसा नहीं कि उनके पास information है, उनको ये पता है कि उन्हें क्या करना है या क्या नहीं करना है.
Right.
जिस चीज़ से हम बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करते हैं.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं भी इसलिए आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ डांसिंग पता है.
हाँ.
मुझे एक्टिंग अच्छी लगती है, मुझे मॉडलिंग इंस्पायर करती है, पर मेरे को ये करना है इस क्लैरिटी का थॉट नहीं आता है मेरे दिमाग में. मुझे जो आता है मैं उसी के हिसाब से रहूँगी. क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को एक्टिंग बोलो तो नहीं मानेंगे, मॉडलिंग बोलो तो दे लुक डाउन अपॉन इट. ओके, सो एक्टिंग मॉडलिंग वाज समथिंग आई कांट से एंड कम टू बॉम्बे. So dance is something okay.
Yeah, dance is considered more of a skill than acting and modeling.
And for me also, I thought, yeah, if I've done so much already, let me just train myself better.
Right.
Let's see where it takes me.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कहीं पहुंचने के लिए डांस को यूज कर रही हूँ. It's like अभी इसमें मैं confident हूँ, so let's start from here.
Okay.
This was
Right.
the kind of clarity I have at that time.
So you do well enough in Shamak's class that you are actually getting to perform at big events, right? So you've performed at Zee Cine Awards, you've performed at Filmfare,
Yeah.
you've performed at
I love
all of
those
these
shows. I
Now
love
मैं बहुत
Toys
क्यूरियस
का.
होता हूँ इन सारे अवार्ड शोज के परफॉर्मेंसेस पे, क्योंकि हमको जो दिखाया जाता है वो बहुत ही इट्स अ वेरी कट टू कट थिंग के द स्टार कम्स, दे डांस, यू हैव द बैकअप डांसर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. टेल मी अबाउट द बैक स्टेज chaos that happens. And I've also heard, आप हमें बताइए सच है कि नहीं, कि इट्स लाइक एनी अदर शूट कि डांस होता है, फिर देन देयर आर मोर टेक्स एंड देन देयर आर समटाइम्स द ऑडियंस इज नॉट इवन देयर.
Yeah. See, there are more
Okay.
things. Okay, so कुछ एक्ट्स आप शूट करते हैं, कुछ
जी.
एक्ट्स आप लाइव जाते हैं.
राइट.
क्योंकि आप honestly people don't want to see everybody going live because the
Right.
place is huge and the number of time जो
Yeah.
भी प्रोडक्शन
Yeah,
की
yeah,
चीज़ होती हैं, आई डोंट नो. पर हाँ, ये फैक्ट है कि कुछ एक्ट्स हम शूट करते हैं, कुछ एक्ट्स हम लाइव जाते हैं, और दोनों का अपना अपना मज़ा है.
ओके.
शूटिंग मुझे तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता था.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे देखने को मिलता था कि क्या हो रहा है.
हाँ.
फॉर मी दैट वाज वेरी पर्सनल. स्टेज में, शूटिंग में, विद you have to give multiple takes.
Okay.
Dancers get tired.
Right,
Dancers really get tired in shoot. And I have huge respect for dancers, man, right now, who are still pursuing it professionally. The background dancers we have in Bollywood, they only dance in songs, and
Right.
you know, it's very tiring.
Yeah.
But shows जो live performance होते हैं वो तो बहुत मजा आता है, because it's just one time you
Right.
go on
Right.
stage for 10 minutes, you do that act and you come out.
What was your favorite memory of a performance?
I think every show was wonderful. I should say that I had my best time as a dancer with Shamak Dawa Dance Company, because they treat the dancers really well. So I can't take that away, that I used to get really tired. You don't get time for yourself. But the fun is worth it, you know. What you get out of it is worth it. And my favorite memories used to be traveling with like the team
Right.
together at
Yeah.
airports.
Yeah.
So we used to have this thing of used to wear same t-shirts
Oh,
of our,
okay.
you know, classes.
Yeah.
And with our jeans and
Right.
sneakers, and we all were like, you know, like used to style each other and travel together, then stay in a hotel with your friends.
Yeah.
And as I said, that Shamak dancers get really good treatment,
Yeah.
because Shamak really takes care,
Of course.
like how we are there, like,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
how are we eating, how are we traveling. So all that was a lot of fun.
Right,
Then
right.
going into tech runs,
Right.
शो रिहर्सल्स ऑफ कोर्स जो मेन है. जब कोई शो होता है तो हम कम से कम
Of course.
बड़ा शो होता है तो 1 महीने पहले रिहर्सल्स चलती हैं.
Can I ask a slightly controversial question here?
Sure.
So you're the group of backup dancers, right? So there is a star, ideally, who's the center of attraction, right?
Yeah.
तो ऐसा तो होता होगा कि जो स्टार है वो इतना अच्छा डांसर नहीं है जितना आप सब हैं, राइट? सो वर देयर टाइम्स वेयर यू आर लाइक, oh, we have to follow this person's, we have to be the backup
No,
dancers.
she doesn't. No, it doesn't happen.
Okay.
Bas.
No, I'm just इसको तो
We don't have
डांस
that
करना नहीं
choice.
आता, हमने इतने साल सीखा है
Dancers
और
are-
हम बैकअप डांसर बने हैं।
No, no, no.
Okay.
So, back.
Or let me reframe that. Or the conditioning or the training is such that they are the center of
So the
attraction.
training of dancers
Yeah.
is always in a way that you are here to uplift the performance
Correct. Yeah.
for
yeah.
this actor or
Yes.
performer.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the attitude towards the whole
हाँ.
act is like, come on, let's go. We
Yeah,
are there for
yeah,
you, you know.
yeah.
And dancers का rehearsal इतना होता है that if a star is doing his own thing or she's doing something different, it doesn't matter because
Right.
we know what we are doing.
Correct. Yeah.
And show के पहले भी we get enough rehearsals, at least 2-3 rehearsals तो with the artist we get. So वो हो जाता है.
Right.
So we get along. तो वो problem कभी नहीं आई है कि हम क्यों कर रहे हैं ये.
Okay. So Mukesh Chabra spots you at some point.
Yeah. And Miss India.
At Miss India, we didn't even touch upon that. So tell me that story. How did that happen?
So, yeah.
Okay.
So dancing happened
Yeah.
for a while, and it went for a while.
Right.
That was not my plan. My plan
Right.
was actually I had no plans, just to train and see where it goes. If I can start auditioning, if I can start training side by side. पर वो side by side कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा था
Right.
because a job of a dancer is
Yeah.
really demanding.
Correct.
हाँ तो 5-6 साल निकल गए. I'm like, I got to be there in the market to be doing something. Pageants was something I went with to because network नहीं है, contact नहीं है. So let's go. तब तो यही पता है ना कि हमारे अंदर ये चीज़ें हम कहाँ डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. बस इतना ही पता है.
जी.
तो pageants है next. Let's see. हो गया एक level तक तो I went there.
Right.
And that's when Mukesh sir.
You don't seem very excited about the pageant, beauty pageant experience.
Yeah, it was very. No, I was very excited at that time.
Okay.
Later on, I felt that it was just a very small part of
Okay.
it. I learned more after getting out
Okay.
from the pageant. It
Right.
was a very small duration, यार 1-1.5 महीने और 1-2 महीने की preparation. तो 3 महीने का टाइम था वो खाली. उसके बाद भी मैंने almost 10-11 months मैंने शामा के साथ shows किए हैं
जी.
after coming back from there. And I started slowly auditioning because met Mukesh Chabra already.
Right.
And he auditioned me for something, and he then I started doing some workshop. I did one ad. So ads started working
Okay.
out.
Right.
Ads started working out. I slowly reduced my classes. That's how I kind of
Yeah.
made a small shift.
Correct.
Money was always the factor कि कैसे करेंगे
जी.
अगर सब कुछ छोड़ दिया तो फिर you know.
Right.
So
So you're ingraining yourself in the in show business, in the industry.
yeah.
What is there a pivot to hardcore acting या आपको लग रहा है कि धीरे धीरे आप उसी तरफ, that's the ultimate goal that you're reaching at?
I'm definitely reaching there.
Okay.
That's my ultimate goal.
Okay.
I can. Yeah, honestly, ultimate goal तो अभी कुछ नहीं बोल
हाँ हाँ
सकते.
मतलब at that point, yeah.
But हाँ, I'm taking up acting very seriously right
Yeah.
now. Also, it's been intentional.
Okay.
But I needed this much time. I
Right.
should say it that way.
Right.
I needed a lot of time to pace myself. I needed time to kind of know what I'm doing.
Right.
You know. And after pageants, modeling, acting, so you know, literally my graph is like मैं एक तरफ काम कर रही हूँ ताकि मेरा खर्चा पानी चलता रहा और एक
जी.
तरफ मैं अंदर स्लोली स्किल्स पे काम कर रही हूँ
जी.
जहाँ मैं
हाँ.
बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज
Yeah,
अपने लिए
yeah.
ढूंढ सकूँ और क्रैक कर सकूँ.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो फिर ऑडिशंस मिले, started working.
Yeah. So your first film is a Tamil film
Yes,
Yeah.
I did.
where you were, if I'm not wrong, a ghost.
Yes, I did this film.
And your ghost name is credited as Meenal. So
Oh my god, I don't know this above.
that's what it says on IMDb.
Well,
Yeah. Okay.
let's not go there. Okay. Yes, I did that film because I needed work.
Right.
Yeah, and I am not very happy about
Okay,
that
that's
film.
okay. Yeah.
And but
Okay, wait.
I'm
हाँ.
not embarrassed.
Okay.
I used to feel a little like क्या यार,
हाँ.
बट मुझे पता है क्यों हुआ है,
जी.
मुझे पता है क्या यार का रीज़न क्या है,
जी.
तो I'm okay with it,
Okay,
dude.
sure.
I had but I must say those people, the entire team,
Hmm.
they were very professional, dude. Whatever I hear about people there, I think this team from Chennai were very professional. They treated me well.
Okay.
I had fun time shooting. I learned a lot on set. वो
Yeah,
होता है
yeah,
ना, आप कुछ भले कुछ भी शूट कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
पर कुछ चीज़ें you just pick up, and for
Correct.
me it was lots.
Right. Yeah.
So मैंने तो उस चीज़ को सिर्फ अपने लिए beneficial बनाया, जितना मैं उस चीज़ को consume कर सकूँ अपने what do you say, productively.
Correct. Okay. A gig is a
But
gig.
a
at the
gig
end of
is
the
a
day.
gig.
Yeah, of
Had to
course.
start.
Yeah.
And then you know what happened after that? Lockdown happened.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it was a very good decision to do that film because it kind of helped me for some time.
But then you do Suryavanshi,
Yes.
which is the big budget Rohit Shetty film,
Yes.
right? Part of his Cop universe.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
Auditions.
Okay.
So Abbas, this time now, after I left the company and pageants हो गए, auditions was something was throughout with me. मतलब I made sure कि मैं कुछ मिस आउट ना करूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि लोग बुला रहे हैं मुझे, मैं I went to every door and literally knocked, and I think that was the only way it could happen.
Okay.
So I used to go to people, introduce myself, give an introduction, छोटी सी script आई, give an audition. So ये करते गए.
जी.
That's how Suryavanshi happened.
Okay.
Gaurav was casting for it.
Okay.
He called me because I used to audition very regularly. So Vidhi from Rohit Shetty liked my audition. They called me, took a retest again. So Rohit sir saw that and I got the.
How was it being on set of a Rohit Shetty film?
Very fun, yeah. A lot of again disciplined.
Correct.
सब कुछ टाइम पे शुरू होता है. It's very smooth.
Great.
उनको भी पता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, तो एक्टर्स को क्लियर ब्रीफ मिल गई है कि क्या करना है. उनकी शॉर्ट डिज़ाइनिंग वगैरह सब कुछ हो चुकी है. सो देयर इज़ नो wastage of time really on set.
Okay.
And he's very calm and he's very patient on
Right.
set, and he will just brief you with exactly what he wants. And I liked it. It was very smooth. मैं तो बहुत nervous थी पहले. I had my scene with
Yeah.
Abhimanyu Singh.
हाँ.
और मैंने कहा यार ये अक्षय कुमार was also on set and I'm like यार ये लोग हैं. I'm like but he was chill.
Speaking of nervousness, so you were also on a show called Happy Family Conditions
Yeah.
Apply, which had legends
loved
like
it.
Ratna Patak Shah, Raj Babbar, like these stalwarts.
Yes.
How was it working on that show?
Life-changing moment for
Okay.
me. Because it was honestly one of the biggest projects I've done so far in my career. That was a big series and I had a big good role in that.
Right.
I was playing Tiska and I love Atish Kapadia's writing. I'm
Right.
sure you must have seen
Yeah,
Khichdi and
Sarabhai versus
Sarabhai.
Sarabhai, yeah, Khichdi.
And when I got the script of Buzz, I was so excited for auditioning for that part and I really wanted it. And I really worked out for that audition. I've cried before that audition because मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी जो मुझे चाहिए था. And I got really worried. I said, no, I want this. But that's how I basically auditioned.
yeah.
Audition went well and then we went on set and it was great. It was life-changing because the co-actors were really good.
Yeah.
I get to meet Ratna Patak ma'am.
Yes.
I get to meet Atul Kulkarni, Aisha Julka, Raj Babbar. All these people have done so much.
Yeah.
So experienced. Like I really got love with Ratna ma'am and I had a very good time. I enjoyed talking to Atish sir
Yeah.
with the kind of depth he has with all his comic characters, man. He thinks so well with so much clarity. I love it. His humor.
With Atish Kapadia Productions, I always feel like कि वो cut बुलाने के बाद भी the feeling in the room must be exactly the same as it is on
I
screen.
miss him. I really miss him because before every scene he used to give us this whole narration where कि क्या स्टोरी है, फिर उस स्टोरी से उनको अपने कोई एक पर्सनल स्टोरी याद आ गई, फिर वो उस स्टोरी को बताते थे. एंड देन ही इज सो फनी दैट इट वाज अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड, रियली लाइक अ लाफ्टर shot every day.
Okay. Then you move on to Deva, which came out this year. big budget Shahid Kapoor action film. How was that?
I loved working with Roshan sir. We got along, and thanks to Mukesh sir again to, Deva was the film where I didn't get to audition.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So my profile was presented,
Right.
and Roshan sir, the director, wanted to meet me, and Mukesh sir told me that they kind of liked you for this character, but they want to meet you and talk to you about if they can work with you or not for this. I said sure. I went. We had a good meeting. Yeah, for 1 hour we talked and we got along. He briefed me about the character. हमने कुछ एक आध सीन किया साथ में. And then next day I was locked.
Okay.
I said, great. So that was the audition. I should
Right.
say that me and Roshan sir had this
Interesting. Yeah.
small brief talking about Rebecca, who
Right.
they are playing,
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
क्या कर रही है ये वो. और मुझे सबसे अच्छा ये लगा कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने मुझे नरेशन दी थी, जिस तरह से मुझे उन्होंने अप्रोच किया था फॉर रेबेका, जो समझाया था, ठीक उसी तरह से ही वेंट विद ऑल द सीन्स.
Right.
मतलब कई बार ऐसा होता है हम डिस्कशंस बहुत करते हैं पर जो एक्चुअली शूट हो रहा है वो बहुत कट टू
Yeah,
कट
yeah,
होता है.
yeah,
सो ही गेव मी टाइम,
Okay.
and thanks to Shahid Kapoor, he also gave me
Yeah.
time. So
Another
if it's-
Shamak alum.
Yes, yes, he was there too, but I never met him
Yeah.
because वो बहुत पहले की बात है. पर Shahid was also very patient with me. He cooperated professionally. He was good, yeah. Like it's like how they were long scenes.
Yeah.
अगर मेरा shot लगा है and if he is there in the frame, 3 take हो रहे हैं, 4 take हो रहे हैं, and it goes.
Yeah.
And then there are cuts. So he, the actor has to stay, and
Yeah.
sometimes actors don't stay.
Yeah.
And Shahid Kapoor was there throughout, and I'm like, thanks dude,
Yeah.
thanks for helping me. It matters a lot because it makes me feel कि अच्छा चल मेरा कुछ performance compromise तो नहीं हो रहा है कुछ. It's just good to be supportive that way,
Yeah.
So Deva went really well for
Yeah.
me. I also enjoyed watching it.
Cool.
And yeah,
Then you had Jewel Thief,
Jewel
another
Thief,
big
yes.
Netflix
Yes.
production. Tell us a little bit about that experience.
I auditioned. I got this part, and I auditioned for this part, Nikki. Then I met Robbie sir, who was directing it. We got along. He briefed me for the character. But before I met Robbie sir, I think I already got the part.
Okay.
I went for मुकेश छाबड़ा के यहाँ पे टेस्ट हुआ था इसका. और हाँ यार, टेस्ट अच्छा हुआ. I think 80% चीज़ें वहीं हो जाती हैं अगर आपका ऑडिशन अच्छा रहता है तो. और कई बार आपका ऑडिशन अच्छा जाता है और आपको पता है कि दिस कैरेक्टर इज नॉट फॉर यू. सो दैट टाइम आई हैव दैट क्लैरिटी कि ये मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. सो विद देवा, रोशन सर ने तभी मुझे बता दिया था कि ये वर्कआउट हो जाएगा. विद जूल थीफ, आफ्टर माई ऑडिशन आई फिगर्ड कि मुझे ये मिल सकता है क्योंकि ये काफ़ी लग रहा है, लाइक बड़े बट तो हो गया. जूल थीफ वर्कड आउट एंड द एक्सपीरियंस वाज अमेजिंग. इट वाज अमेजिंग टू वर्क विद सैफ अली खान.
Okay.
He was really supportive.
Yeah, I mean, he seems like a very fun
Very
guy. Just to
fun
hang
guy,
out.
dude.
Yeah,
That's so
yeah.
much fun. He's so vulnerable as an actor.
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that about him. And I'm a very vulnerable person in general. Like, मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए, पर है ऐसा. And
You still get starstruck?
no.
No? Okay.
No. I am I'm very friendly with people in general. And with stars, I feel कि यार मुझे ये फ्रेंडली हूँ नहीं हूँ मुझे समझ नहीं आता क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत फ्रेंडली हूँ.
जी.
है ना. तो कई बार वो चीज़ थोड़ी सी यू हैव टू मेंटेन जस्ट लाइक व्हाट इफ दिस पर्सन डजंट वांट टू टॉक टू मच. दैट्स ऑल. इससे आगे कुछ पता नहीं सोच सकते. बट सो आई हैव टू जस्ट बी अवेयर कि कैसे है. बट वंस एक सीन हो गया, 1-2 दिन हो गए शूट के, देन वी टॉक.
Okay, sure.
Everybody is different that way.
Yeah.
But I'm very chill.
Yeah.
I don't get starstruck.
Yeah.
And I also don't get nervous.
Uh-huh.
But I'm very careful, and I'm sometimes too much careful for no reason. कि अभी like ये कुछ हो तो नहीं जाएगा, ये गिर गया. I'm like okay, like I want to pull that chair. I will just not go and pull that chair. If that man is standing there, I'm like, should I pull, not pull?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pull. और उतने ही में ही पैर फंसेगा और चेयर उसी के ऊपर गिराऊंगी मैं, and then I'll be like,
I should have thought some more.
well, I shouldn't have thought. Should have just gone there and
for the
pulled the chair. So this is what.
I was gonna ask you if there's one thing you would say that being so dance में इतना आप जो dedicated थी, one aspect from there that helps you in the acting part of it.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
As a dancer, I used to be on stage. I loved stage. I loved lights, music. Me being there, that feeling of being alive was amazing. But I always felt that there is this thing missing, which is speech.
Okay.
I loved talking. I wanted to express myself more, and dance was not enough.
Right.
And that I started feeling even more जब थोड़े बड़े हो गए ना towards the end. I'm like यार ये तो मुझे अब बहुत bother कर रहा है. And the moment it started bothering me, I felt let's do something about it. And I think I wanted to talk more. I wanted to be more expressive. I wanted to play different parts. Also at that time I started watching different films.
Right.
So उसका भी एक inspiration था.
जी.
तो I think just the desire to express yourself in different ways,
Okay.
more than movement, was my drive. And as an actor, what is your question again?
That what is the one aspect from your dancing that helps you in your acting?
Movement.
Okay.
Movement, because like I auditioned for something recently, and the actor, the character was air hostess or something.
Okay.
And the director wanted that that air hostess is so much in her that वो जब normally कोई बात कर रही है उसका हाथ वैसे ही चल रहा है.
Right. हाँ.
So we were trying to achieve that, and I
Correct.
think because I'm aware of
Yeah.
my movements and the
Yeah.
way my body moved, it was just easy for me to deliver that and achieve it. Eventually, of course,
Sure.
it gets better, but
Yeah.
when we create something, जब कुछ करना है, तो I think movement really helps me to
Got it.
push me there, you know.
Okay. Was there ever a backup plan that if acting doesn't work out, you can become a choreographer?
No, I don't have any backup plan. I don't think I can become a choreographer, Abbas, because I can't choreograph.
Okay.
I can choreograph for people like who don't know anything, honestly. I can dance better than
Right.
choreography. They are two different things.
Right.
Choreography कुछ चीज़ों में ठीक है हो जाती है,
जी.
but actually I'm being too
Too hard on yourself.
too hard on myself. I can choreograph.
Right.
It doesn't interest me. It's not my passion.
Got it. Yeah.
तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर पाती उस
Okay,
चीज़ में,
okay,
इसलिए मैं
sure.
वहाँ से बहुत जल्दी स्विच ऑफ हो जाती हूँ.
Cool. Okay.
And that was also a reason I didn't purposely pursue dancing as my profession,
Okay.
because मुझे पता था कि ये मेरे लिए नहीं है.
Okay. Cool. So now we have some pictures with us जो
Yeah.
हम आपको दिखाएंगे
Yeah.
और आप हमें बताइए कि इन तस्वीरों में क्या हो रहा है.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't seem you seem a little nervous.
I'm thinking what pictures?
They're all nice pictures. Okay. The first picture is this one. Tell us what is happening here.
Oh no, so cute. This is from an airport. I
Okay.
told you the travels used to be so cool. This is one of the picture.
All right.
हम कोई तो कंट्री जा रहे थे यार, मुझे याद नहीं है, ये बहुत
जी.
पुरानी पिक्चर है. और
हाँ.
हम एयरपोर्ट में थे, ये हमारी फ्लाइट डिले हो गई थी, हम लोग सब मतलब इतने लोग साथ में ट्रैवल करते थे विद शामक एंड मर्जी एंड ऑल आवर अदर इंस्ट्रक्टर्स. तो अब सीट्स भी नहीं हैं, लोग भी तो हैं दूसरे, हम फ्लोर पे ही सो रहे हैं, सब ने बैकपैक्स डाल के सब बैठे हुए हैं. सो लुक एट मी, आई एम जस्ट ऑल स्लीपिंग,
Yeah.
middle of a sleep, and Shamak used to just get pizzas for us, sometimes coffee for us.
Right.
तो बस हो गई कि come we'll take a picture, and he just like loved me like a baby in this
Okay.
picture.
What's
So I
happening?
think we had coffee after this picture, and
Okay.
then we got into a flight. और I think हम जा रहे थे जकार्ता in this
Ooh, okay.
for a show.
What's happening in this picture?
Hey, this is IFA picture.
Okay.
IFA का जो एक छोटा वर्जन होता है,
जी.
एक IFA का मेन इवेंट होता है और एक दिन पहले IFA रॉक्स, वो
Okay.
एक दिन पहले होता है. आई थिंक ये IFA रॉक्स की रिहर्सल पिक्चर है. दिस वाज अ टेक रन.
Okay.
इट वाज अ मलाइका अरोरा एक्ट, आई थिंक.
Mm-hmm.
ये तो वो एक्ट है जो मुझे इसका एक आखिरी गाना नहीं आता था. और मुझे शामक से डांट भी पड़ी थी बिकॉज
अच्छा।
बिफोर Malaika just came for this
हाँ.
rehearsal, we were also doing a dancers
Yeah,
rehearsal,
yeah.
and the third song I was not sure.
Okay.
And he's like, Shamak's like, Meenal, you're dancing right there in
हाँ.
front of her. You know this song, na? I said, Shamak, I don't know this song, but I'll make sure I know this before she comes. And I got to like, I did it.
Okay.
And this was the picture. It was a
Alright.
tech run and going into the main show the same day.
Okay. This is another dance picture, I'm assuming. What's happening
Hey,
here?
this is a class picture. He is a student of mine.
Okay.
I think he clicked this picture and he posted this on Instagram somewhere on Teachers Day. Oh my
Alright.
god. Yeah. And this was after a class यार जब मैं इंस्ट्रक्टर बन गई थी मैं
जी.
असिस्ट कर रही थी
जी.
एक मेन इंस्ट्रक्टर रोहन एज अ फ्रेंड
Uh-huh.
and I was assisting Rohan in Bandra batch I think this was.
Okay.
And he was my student and this was an after class picture.
Okay, now we're going way back in time. Tell us what's happening in this picture.
Hey, dance party! You know, this outfit is stitched by my mother. The whole
Aw.
thing. The white shirt also, and the tunic and the jacket also.
Is it someone's birthday? What's the event?
It is a birthday party,
Okay.
which the child is not here.
Okay.
It was her first birthday. तो वो दिख
Aw.
रहा है वो पूरा पीछे लगा हुआ है पूरा
जी.
केटरिंग आई हुई है क्योंकि वो फर्स्ट बर्थडे ग्रांड करते हैं ना स्मॉल
Oh.
टाउन मतलब हर जगह actually.
Okay.
तो ये उस तरह का पार्टी है एंड वी वर लाइक किड्स एंड आई एम स्टिल फ्रेंड्स विद ऑल दीस गर्ल्स
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us who's this?
that's my pet cat. That's Coco
Okay.
and पीछे वाला is Moxie
Okay.
and they are 5 years old now. They're still with me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Are these two still the only cats you have?
I have one more now. She's
Okay.
Mac
Oh, okay.
and I got her 2 years later
Mm-hmm.
after I got them.
And what's the story behind naming them?
Moxie is one of a synonym of this word called mischievous because
Okay.
he was really naughty when I got him. So I
Okay.
kind of looked up for names.
Okay.
And Moxie sounded like a very good name. And he has a dot on his forehead. And this
Aw.
Moxie was just working for his look and the personality. Coco was a name which I just liked the sound of it. And Coco looked like Coco. I named him Coco.
Okay.
And Mac looked like mac and cheese. Wala
Aw.
Mac because she had that off-white and caramel color.
Yeah.
The picture's not here.
Yeah.
And I was not sure that Mac is a female cat. मुझे तब लगा था कि ये मेल कैट है
जी.
तो मैंने एक जेनरिक नाम रखा था
works
मैक
for
ही
both.
बोल रही थी
Yeah,
या
yeah,
बिकॉज आई प्रेफर स्मॉल शॉर्ट नेम्स मेजरली विच हैज अ साउंड टू इट
Got it.
बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ दे कनेक्ट
Okay.
you know. So Mac was like, and she started responding to Mac, but I
Okay.
was not very happy with the name Mac.
Okay.
Honestly, yeah. I could have given her a better name.
Oh, it is what it is. And the last picture we have is a show we already mentioned. This seems like a very nice,
Have a
wholesome picture.
family.
Nice, wholesome picture where the family is having an entire meal. But yeah, we already spoke about your experience on Happy Family. Okay, Meenal, we're going to play a rapid fire round with you. So I'm going to throw questions at you, choices at you, and आप जितनी जल्दी हो सके उसका जवाब दे दीजिए. Are you
Done.
ready?
I think so.
Okay. Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Coffee or chai?
Coffee.
Your Bollywood crush while growing up?
None.
Really?
Wow.
Okay. A song that's currently stuck in your head?
So many. One song. Bollywood ही देना है.
नहीं, कोई भी हो सकता है.
There is a song called Movement
Okay.
that's stuck in my head.
Okay.
And there is this song called. Actually, right now, nothing is in my head.
Okay.
Can't give you names.
Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, surprisingly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there
honestly.
a reason behind that?
I love heels. I feel I'm short.
Okay.
I'm not. I wanted to be taller than this. So heels से ना मुझे लगता है I'm just looking better with heels.
Okay. What's your most used emoji?
Heart.
Oh.
A
Okay.
red heart. Yeah.
One thing you can't leave home without?
My house key, but that's too obvious. Like obvious. I don't leave my house without phone.
Okay. Dream travel destination?
हाय मैंने तो ज़्यादा ड्रीम्स ही नहीं किए हैं ऐसे यार कहीं भी मतलब
Oh,
I don't know. I shit. That's sad. I don't know.
yeah, you should have one. We should make one and,
Yeah.
and then come back.
Destination, dream destination. When I'm on my own, like any destination is okay where I'm just getting to do what I want.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
What's your go-to comfort food?
My go-to comfort food is dal chawal and pindi ki sabzi, which I make
Okay,
or my mother makes.
all right. What's the last thing you Googled?
Why my cat has started sleeping next to my head these days? I think something like that. Because
Okay.
Mac used to sleep next to my legs.
Yeah.
It's been a week. She's sleeping right here.
Oh.
So I'm like, is this change in her behavior? Is it
Normal.
saying something?
Yeah.
Yeah, what does it mean? I
Okay.
keep Googling everything about cats and their
Cats.
behavior. I'm just,
If I were to go through your bag, what's the strangest thing I'll find?
strangest. Sellotape.
Okay. That's a very quick fix.
A quick fix. Also, you know, when I just can't give a reply to somebody, I offer the tape.
Yeah. Oh,
You know,
I
Actually, ये accidentally हो गया था और मुझे इतना मजा आया कि अब मैं रखने लगी हूँ. ऐसा है actually.
was like, I'm thankful you said you offer tape or
But why the tape was there in my bag for the first place? Because of the cat hair.
Ah,
Lint
okay.
remover कई बार काफी lint roller कई बार you know it's big.
Yeah.
It doesn't sit in my bag and this sellotape the चौड़ा वाला is like comes in all my bag and I can just take my cat hair out of my clothes quickly.
Okay. One star you'd love to work with.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. And finally, if you could go back in time and give your 18-year-old self one advice, what would it be?
Speak up.
Okay.
Do not hesitate. If you feel like speaking up, do it. Do not stay quiet if you don't feel like.
All right.
That's the mistake I did.
Okay. Meena, thank you so much.
Thank
you gave
you.
us so much of your time. आपने बहुत सारी चीजें शेयर की हमारे साथ. And we hope to see you in many more things.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah,
I'm
and
excited.
27th March next year, let's do it.
Let's party, dude.
Let's do it. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. It was lovely being here. I'm Meera Sahu, and today I had this conversation with Abbas. Please watch our interview. This is my first time doing this, so please watch it for me. And it is really fun doing this with Abbas. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.